'Twas a mid-December evening in a room of heavy breathing when I looked into my little baby's eyes. Like the ships that sail the ocean, he had captured my emotions, wrapped them up just like a gift at Christmas time. I thank the Lord above that he was mine. I prayed to God that everything was fine. And after much we saw him changing, Nathaniel's speech was rearranging, so we took him back to see what they could find. And after ironing out the creases, they came up with missing pieces, and they told us that autism's on the rise. I looked into my little baby's eyes. I promised him to find the reasons why. Now I lay him down to sleep. I pray the Lord my son could speak and make him strong where he is weak. This I ask of you. And just like him, there's many more that need our help to win this war. And who knows what might lay in store to help them make it through. The doctor says there's so much more to do. Put the pieces back together, but it's up to me and you. So now we lay them down to sleep. We pray the Lord they all could speak and make them strong where they are weak. This we ask of you, 'cause now we know there's so many more that need our help to win this war. And who knows what might lay in store to help them make it through. Yes, who knows what might lay in store. Missing piece is me and you.